everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryn and in today's video I am going to talk about some really healthy products on my channel. I am going to talk about the &Me Women's Protein Powder and the UTI drink as well. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So before talking about the protein powder, let me give you guys a little backstory on how and when I started consuming this. The first week of April, I was COVID positive and पूरे एक महीने लग गए to recover from COVID. So after 1 month of being infected and fighting with corona, I finally recovered, and that is when I started having this product around the month of May. Like from the second week of May, I discovered this and I started using this product. So this is the &Me Women's Protein Powder with multivitamins and Ayurvedic herbs. This one is in the flavor Choco Almond and this is a 500 grams का jar. So let me quickly tell you guys कि मुझे इसने कैसे benefit किया and किस reasons की वजह से मैं ये वाला particular protein powder ही use कर रही हूँ. So this has basically 6 amazing benefits. The first benefit is that it boosts your immunity. जब मुझे कोरोना हुआ था, obviously मेरी जो immunity है वो बहुत weak हो चुकी थी and I was in need of a product which would boost my immunity so that my body could fight with the virus, and this one is a perfect one in doing that because it contains immunity boosting ingredients such as tulsi, iron and vitamin C. Another very good benefit of this one is that it provides energy and strength. इसमें है मोरिंगा, जिंक एंड विटामिन B1 which helps in boosting your energy and brings back the strength in your body. तो मेरा भी बॉडी बहुत वीक हो गया था. Even after I recovered, I did not have much strength in my body. मैं बहुत जल्दी थक जाती थी, मैं कोई काम नहीं कर पा रही थी because I was so weak. And this one, because it provided me with a lot of energy and a lot of strength, really benefited me in a very good way. The third benefit it has is that it balances your hormones. Now, if your body is infected with unknown viruses, then there is a high chance that your hormones might get imbalanced. And this one has ingredients such as Kachnar magnesium which will help to bring back the balance in your hormones and which will help in a lot of way and benefit your body. Another benefit is that management of weight. तो ये जो है ये आपके वेट को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मैनेज करता है. I am not saying weight loss, I am saying weight management. Two are different things. So when I was positive with COVID, मेरे काफी inches reduce हो गए थे. I was not losing on weight, but my clothes were really becoming very dheela. So this one even helped me in managing my weight properly. Then it also helps in relieving stress and it also helps in building your lean muscles. मुझे जब कोविड हुआ था, मोर दैन माई फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स, मैं मेंटली बहुत वीक फील कर रही थी क्योंकि ऑफकोर्स मैं आइसोलेटेड थी अपने ही रूम में, मैं बाहर नहीं जा पा रही थी. सो ऑफकोर्स इट टुक अ टोल ऑन मी मेंटली एंड मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस ले रही थी. So इसमें है ingredients such as moringa, manganese and vitamin B2 which help in releasing your stress. And again, as I said, कि muscles भी काफी weak हो जाते हैं, lean हो जाते हैं, so it helps in building that as well. So these are the major 6 benefits that this product is going to give to you, and these were my requirements when I was looking for a product or a protein powder जो कि मुझे मेरे वापस की पोजीशन में ला के देगा. And I was like कि इसमें वो सारे benefits है जो मुझे चाहिए, and that is why and when I started using this product. Initially जब मैं नेगेटिव हुई आफ्टर कोरोना, उसके बाद भी जैसा मैंने कहा कि मैं बहुत वीक थी, मेरा एनर्जी काफी डाउन था एंड मैं मेंटली भी बहुत डिप्राइव्ड फील कर रही थी. बट आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस एंड ग्रेजुअली एंड स्लोली आई सॉ दैट आई वाज गेटिंग बैक इनटू माय ओन सेल्फ, बी इट मेंटली और बी इट फिजिकली. Now when it comes to protein powders, you should be knowing कि एक सर्विंग में आपको कितना प्रोटीन मिलेगा. तो &Me के एक सर्विंग से आपको मिलता है 20 grams of plant-based proteins which contain daily nutritional value ingredients such as vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants and herbs. So इसमें कोई भी artificial color या preservatives नहीं यूज किया गया है. There is no artificial sugar in it. When I was reading the ingredients list, I saw that they have added natural sweetener instead of artificial sweetener, which is in this case they have used jaggery. Also this is completely vegan and as I said plant based. Using this is also very easy. So you have to just take 2 to 3 scoops in your shaker, या तो फिर आप ग्लास में भी ले सकते हो, and then you have to add 250 ml of water or milk, whatever you enjoy, and then just shake it and you can just have your protein drink. Now if you want, you can have the drink warm or cold. This one comes with a little scooper like this, so once you scoop this product, it scoops 33 grams of the product. तो आपको 250 ml में 33 grams product लेना है and use करना है. So in one serving of this protein powder, you are going to get 136 calories, carbohydrates of 10.7 gram, sugar of 6.1 gram, and fat of 2.9 gram. So this is all that you are going to get in one serving of this protein powder. Another thing is, we should all take 0.8 grams protein per kg of our weight. For example, if my weight is 50 kgs, then I should take 0.8 grams of each kg of my weight. So 50 into 0.8 करने से जो आता है वो मेरा प्रोटीन का जो है क्वांटिटी होना चाहिए. You should absolutely try the Anmi Women's Protein Powder because it is not only going to make you healthier, but it is also going to balance your hormones, manage your weight, build your strength, boost your immunity, strengthening your bones. So there are so many amazing benefits to this product that you should definitely try this one. Moving on to the next item from the brand Anmi, which is their UTI drinks. These are actually available in different packs. तो मैंने 8 का पैक लिया है, तो मुझे ऐसे 8 बॉटल्स मिले हैं. Each bottle is 200 ml. So firstly, you should know what is UTI, which is your urinary tract infection. And if you have UTI and you are looking for something apart from medicines that will help to treat it naturally, then in that case you should take cranberry infused UTI drinks such as this. So this is the Anmi UTI drink, which has cranberry extracts. Apart from that, it also has many powerful ingredients which will help you to treat UTI naturally. Now, this one has unsweetened cranberry juice and activated cranberries, and there is no added sugar or artificial sweetener. The only source of sweetener is the cranberry extract. This one helps in flushing out all the toxins from your body. It also helps in resisting bacteria. It also reduces the frequent urination that you might be facing, and at the same time reduces any sort of burning sensation. So this one again has so many amazing benefits. इसमें भी कोई artificial color, preservatives या sweetener नहीं है. Completely plant-based and vegan product है. If you are also facing burning sensations, a slight itching, or maybe abnormal discharge down there, and you want to treat this naturally, then you should definitely check out the Anmi UTI drink. अगर आप UTI से इन्फेक्टेड हैं तो आपको डेली इसके 2 बॉटल्स कंज्यूम करने हैं. So 2 full bottles like this if you are infected with UTI already. And अगर आपको UTI से prevention चाहिए, then you must take 1 bottle only daily. And as you guys can see that this is a ready to made drink, तो आपको बस इसका कैप खोलना है and इसे consume कर लेना है. But make sure that you consume it within 2 hours of opening the cap. And if you want, you can have it at room temperature or chilled. इसके भी जो ingredients है, those are completely natural. It has varuna, cranberry extracts, vitamin C, zinc, shawatri, trikatu. Now all these are very much natural ingredients which help to fight the bacteria and it prevents the reoccurrence of UTI. In case you are someone who is pregnant or you are lactating, then please consult your doctor before consuming this product. And if you are a patient of thalassemia, you should consume it under medical supervision. So that is all about today's review of the Anmi protein powder and the UTI drink. Now please make sure that you do check out their app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Links to all of these will be provided in the description box below. So if you are interested, go check out their app because I think the app is really good. It will help you in guiding your exact problem and what your solution should be. So make sure that you do check out their app. And as I mentioned, it's available for both both Android and iOS, so I think it's an amazing brand in itself, and all the links are there in the description box below. If you have liked watching this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me, and if you're interested in more such honest reviews, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right beside it. Also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @mysticalimrit. I'm quite active there, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.